All right, so we're going to talk about something crazy, something that is $660 million crazy. Ergo, Instagram made $660 million on blue check marks.
Yeah, so there's some press articles that ended up coming out. And with Instagram, they ended up making, as Eric mentioned, $660 million, all from charging for blue check marks. And I believe that happened in the first 24 hours of them going out and charging for that blue check mark. The exact numbers were they sold 44 million blue checkmark verifications in one day at $15 a month, making them a whopping $660 million, literally in just 24 hours, which means that number, if it stays true and holds, it's going to get into the billions quite quickly.
You know what's nuts? I mean, I don't know what the Neil, if you can check what the MAU is on for Instagram versus like a Twitter as an example, but I would bet that Instagram's a lot bigger.
2.35 billion monthly active users. That's a lot.
Yep. A lot bigger, right? I think Twitter is around like 230 MAUs or 230 million or so out of like 440 million, something like that.
450.
That's MAUs or total users?
That's monthly active users on Twitter. And I'm just Googling this, so who knows how accurate these articles are. But you're looking at roughly a difference of 5 times. Instagram has 5 times more monthly active users than Twitter, based on the stats that I'm seeing online.
The point behind all this is that people will buy status, right? All the celebrities, all the rich people or whatever, or notable people, whatever you want to call them, they had blue check marks and everyone wanted a blue check mark. I kid you not. People would ask me all the time, how did you get it? How did you get it? And they would just hound you, right?
But here's the issue. Dude, if everyone can just go buy it, I think it's going to lose its novelty. It's just a question of when.
That's where I'm going. Look, it's already lost its luster. And so what's going to happen next is one, status can be purchased. Everyone should know that. But the other thing is, I think there's going to be an entire business they're going to build around the badge stuff.
Yeah, and Elon ended up innovating it for a lot of these guys. And now they're just like, if Elon can make money on it, we'll make way more than him because we have way more users. Because it's not just Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. The list goes on and on. But like, you're probably talking, if they did 660 million in 24 hours, you're talking about easily $3-4 billion that they can figure out to generate from this checkmark stuff. And it should be mainly profit. I don't see how they have a ton of expenses on this stuff.
Yeah. And so I think this is a smart business. I think there's a couple business lessons here. One is status sells. Okay. 2, it's okay to copy other people. And, you have another angle on, and arguably Instagram's doing it better because there's some bells and whistles behind it. And it's once again, you have Elon trying this stuff and experimenting with stuff. So that's the other marketing lesson here. It's to constantly experiment. And, sometimes the market will take it and sometimes the market won't.
What's funny is everyone typically believes there's one way to do stuff in marketing or business. That's not the case. Elon came up with a different business model. Facebook could have done this way before Elon. Instagram could have done this a long time ago. TikTok could have done this a long time ago. LinkedIn, and the list goes on and on. But no one really tried it. Just because something works and is the status quo and that's what everyone's used to, like ads, it doesn't mean that's the only solution out there. Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.